In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shopping cart icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to open Figma. Navigate to your Figma files, where we'll be starting our project. You can create a new file or use an existing one. Having Figma open and ready will allow us to use its powerful design tools. Now that you're on Figma, let's focus on creating the wheels of our shopping cart. For this, you'll be drawing two circles. To achieve this, simply select the ellipse tool from the toolbar on the left. Make sure that when you draw these circles, you give them a higher stroke. This will ensure they stand out, giving your cart that classic look. Once you have your circles in place, you can adjust the stroke width to your preference to create those sturdy wheels. Next up, we're going to create the frame of the cart. Click on the pencil tool and draw a line above the wheels you just made. Once you've got that line drawn, you're going to need to drag it upward and then toward the right. The goal is to shape it into a pointy end. It's an important part of the cart's design, so take your time to get it just right. After this, make sure to add more stroke to this line to emphasize its visibility and structure. With the outline of the cart forming, let's get into the structure itself. You're going to draw a rectangle that represents the main body of the cart. Position this rectangle with respect to the wheels, making it look like it belongs there. Don't forget to add some rounded corners to the rectangle. You can easily adjust the corner radius in the Properties panel. Depending on your style preference, you can play around with how rounded you want those corners. Now, we need to further refine the rectangle to match the overall look of the cart you have in your mind. Adjust the corners of your rectangle using the pencil diagram we created previously. This step is crucial as it helps streamline how the body of the cart flows with the wheels and the frame. It allows your design to look cohesive and professional. At this point, you should have most of the elements of your shopping cart icon in place. Check your design and make any final adjustments necessary. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, congratulations, your shopping cart icon is ready. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shopping cart icon in Figma. This icon can be used in various projects, from websites to apps, enhancing the visual elements of your work. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see what you create with your new shopping cart icon.